Hello, this is Patch J, and this is a liquor phase. A lot of times, I'm just laying here, thinking in my head, looking like I'm dead, only to everybody else. Not knowing why, I'm just laying here. I'm not tired, yet I am tired of all the things that keeps haunting me. As I sit here and think, I'm holding my bottle, which sometimes gets me through the night. It puts me out, takes me away from all the life has to offer day to day. Then I remember what it is on when I just chill. This is all I do, and I don't have any will. Oh, how I need the remedy of a simple drink to guzzle up my head, run through my veins, where the acid is in my brain, just so I can feel so clean. My emotions are keen. All the simple things that I touch and feel are such invigorating. Experience as I fly away in rotting until I drop. To the next day I may regret. It's better than wishing I was dead. Though I guess the only feeling I may find is the one when I get that is kind. The only thing that I see a sign when I see your smile, which you are my drug, the number one, where my addiction is stunned. I feel like $1,000,000, as I know that you are the one, yet as misery is the only key, where the bottle is all that makes me dream. You see that my life is nothing kind, where the only thing you find is nothing that will create a family life. I keep moving forward, running from everyone, never finding but the same destination, where I am or even who I am. I know that life is more than what you get paying for a whore, or just sitting here wishing for more. All I have is what I make to as a chore, yet the labor is what shows as honesty, where instead I roll in a new destiny. But my head, as I fall in a dizzy phase, I wake up to where nothing has changed, as the only thing that I feel is more pain. I thirst, as I always wanted, to know your name.